Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload files to Google Drive in 2025, step by step. Whether you're backing up important documents, sharing photos, or organizing projects, this guide will help you master the process in just a few minutes. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any tips for faster uploads and better organization. Why Google Drive is a must-have first. Let's talk about why Google Drive is so powerful. It's a free cloud storage platform from Google that keeps your files safe online. That means you can access your documents, photos, or videos from any device, anywhere in the world, as long as you're signed in to your Google account. It's perfect for backups, collaboration, and keeping your digital life organized. Start by opening your web browser and heading to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you're not signed in, just click Sign In at the top right and enter your email and password. Once you're inside your Drive, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a big New button with a plus sign. This is your main control center for adding new content. Click the New button. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select File Upload. This tells Google Drive that you want to upload something from your computer. After you click File Upload, a File Explorer window will pop up. Here's where you browse through your folders to find the file you want to upload. Maybe it's a document, a photo, or even a video. Once you find it, click on the file to select it, then hit Open or Choose, depending on your system. Your upload begins right away. In the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see a small status box showing the progress. Larger files may take longer, but you can continue working in Drive while the upload completes. Pro tips for a smooth upload stable. Internet. A strong connection ensures faster uploads and fewer interruptions. Organize while uploading. You can create a folder first and upload directly into it, saving time later. Drag and drop. Prefer a shortcut? You can also drag files from your desktop straight into your Drive window. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded files to Google Drive in 2025. Your files are now backed up, easy to share, and accessible from anywhere. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.